Good evening, my loved one. Yes, so now good evening, my brother and sisters. Now good evening, now good evening. Yeah, Obodo. Obodo wife. How you doing now? Obodo yourself. God bless you. So we get small message. Message we come from Palace, Edo State. You say more quickly hit am. More quickly toss more for inside. But I will see the topic there. Shentro must stop. So the message don't come from Palace. So the message, especially the message concern Edo State. Edo State people. If you be another tribe, anything you like. But if you know say it go affect you, you will stop too. So this message is from this message concern Edo State. So when I invite our friends, when I invite our friends small, so me will quickly hit the message. My brothers and sisters, we don't see many videos of social media, Facebook, YouTube, concerning some women and some men where they do central. Because not be only men they do central, women see they do central too. So the message for central, people where they do central, women and men. So let me drop my number in case maybe person want call in. So let me drop my number. So people, women and men, some men and some women where they do central. So the thing, yeah, good evening, Eddie. God bless you. Most of our women they cry. If you check on, now women cry past men for central area, central side. There is different way where central take the collect money from our sisters. So I want to quickly drop this message. If you know say you be central, you know for yourself, you as a woman or man, you know say you be central, please. Because waiting you go, yeah, God bless you. Waiting go be the results. You not go like my sister or my brother. Because many women today they're frustrated. They are frustrated. What you call some many men. But I know say some men, yeah, good evening, purity, God bless you. So some women they don't feel cry come out. Men don't frustrate them for Europe. Men don't frustrate them for the Western world, but they don't feel cry come out. Some women even they shame to even cry come out. Say yes, this man chop my money. Oh. But since they don't feel cry come out, we need to voice for them. So when I invite our friends, so that may people where he did their body, so that they can evolve for the topic. Because the thing now don't reach our palace. Please, man, give me 1 minute. Man, give me 1 minute. Yes, sorry. Mona, sorry. So, some people they don't feel cry come out. I know more than 50 women for diaspora. wey be say men don frustrate. But inside that 50, I never see anyone for inside wey don cry come out say this man don hit me. So we wan come voice for them because of some dey shame to talk and come out say all their life money wey dem work na man dem spend am for. No shame. If you shame for sickness, how doctor wan take give you drugs? How doctor wan take give you drugs? So if you swallow the thing, how doctor wan take cure you? So our sister dey pain. 80% of women now, not be before. 80% men don frustrate them for this Western world, all over the world. 80% of women, men don frustrate them, but they no fit cry come out. We thank God our king message don come from palace. All those things will stop because you as a man, because I no fit use your sister make example because your sister far from you. Your own pikin wey you born with your prick, man frustrate am like that. How you as a father, how you go feel? How you go feel? Your own pikin, your own daughter, man do am like that. How you go feel? So my sisters, we come out now. We want to stop all shentro all over the world. People ask, say, some say they don't know the meaning of shentro. Some say how shentro take they exist. Good for the question. How woman take be shentro and how man take be shentro? Let me start from men. You as a man, you know for your mind, you know marry that woman. You dey collect money from her. You leave your house where you rent. You pack your things, go meet the woman. Woman go dey work. You dey collect the money. You dey use am take dey do your own things for house. You know say you no go marry am o. You be shentro. Some people called me, ask me, say, shentro, wetin me know about shentro, how shentro till they exist. Good for the question. You as a man, most of men, their father and their mother and their sister for Africa. Then they join them, they do the Shentro together. Because then they connect their parents, join the runs where they do for Europe, for the Western world. Because if they want to start, they will put their mother for front. They will tell the girl, my mother want to greet you. I want to introduce you to my mother. I want to introduce you to my parents. That girl now, she go be happy. She go lose her sense. The guy go introduce the girl to her parents. The guy don't really tell his parents, say, mommy, daddy, I don't want to marry this girl, no. I want to use her and get paper. I want to use her and collect money. I want to collect money from her. So see the way we now take talk to her. I know 50 women in diaspora where men condemn them. Even so, all those 50 women, they can't use their husband to boyfriend away. Inside that 50 women, when I know, the way I met they frustrate them, they can't use their husband. They can't use their husband do boyfriend throw away because of the frustration. Because men don't frustrate them. They can't use their husband, their official husband, to do boyfriend throw away. Inside that 50, I still know 30 inside. They are still single today, no husband. Because they don't feel settled down again. They don't trust any man. Even they even drive their official husband, they drive them away. Because of waiting men cause for their body. Men, we come Europe, come also. According to una statement, say, na money I come find for Europe. But we come Europe, come find the money, not be black. We come for white. We may come for white. I will talk women side, how they take be central, but now men side are there now. Thirty of the women, they are frustrated till now. Many 35 years, 37 years, 38 years, no husband. Many some even get one. They get one baby but no husband because of waiting men don't do them. Really, not be you the friend gay for Europe. Guys send you recharge card or he come your house. He add money join your money take do space for house. No, because that one a relationship, that one a friendly. Una dey friend each other normal. Where the girl go work where you send her, where we not permit her to do, where she dey force herself to do. She go come, you go ask her, welcome, how much you work today? You will count her, he go give you. You will send her and go give your parents for house. 80% of men has this when they get today. cars wey they use for Africa today. Na women money, na Shentro money. So now we come fight now for the women's. We don't come out because this one don't pass. If he don't pass where he supposed don't reach, he don't pass him. Some men still dey with woman for house. Woman don't born one for you. But you be Shentro with that woman, no. But you not go let the man, you not go let the woman know. Say you want one Shentro, you say me you just use her, me you born one for you. But you with her they stay together. When they do living together. But for your mind, you know say you not go marry that girl, you not go marry that woman. But you dey do one Shentro. Wanna give me 1 minute? Wanna give me seconds? So you dey with woman for house. You don't get one pikin or two, but you not tell the woman say you not go marry am o. But the woman dey invest for you. For many way they waka for street now, for social media. Many video wey dem send for me, they say me I carry come up for social media. And I say no. I know they carry video like that come out. All the men, I can't beg you now, because body with sickness carry share sit down, not be body again no. Body with sickness carry foam lie down, not be body again no. For the men, Shentro men, Shentro, if you dey do am, stop am now. If you dey do am before, because heavy thunder dey come for you. Heavy thunder. And most of our women, 90%, una say they use una hand, they pump these Shentro people, all those Shentro men. Man go dey beat you. Man go send you go another country. Man no dey give you attention. You see they pack your money, they give that man. Where cause we enter Shentro men go for one enter on our body be this one. Una dey encourage all those Shentro. The name of, I don't want to lose this man. This man fine. I love this man. Only you want you dey one country. The man where you born for dey another country. The money where they say they give you for the country where you dey, you dey send and go give that man. You dey send and give the man for where he dey. You dey send and give the man for where. You dey send and give the man for where he dey. So my people, I say may I quick drop this message. So wanna follow me by 9:30 to 9 o'clock. So there is video where I want to share. 8:30 to 9 o'clock I will come out again. So I say may I quickly drop this message. Wanna follow me 9 o'clock, 8:30 to 9 o'clock. So my people, 8:30 I will come out again. So I say may I quickly bring this message for now. So 8:30 wanna follow me. Thank you very much. God bless you all.